perfect timing.
Go play, Butter. Butter's playtime. Butter's playtime.
Butter's like friends.
Okay, let's go.
Who is adopting him? It's that one girl, I don't remember her name. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Drawn. Because they always mess him up every single. To be fair, they are kind of hard to draw.
Get it, Butter.
Hello there.
Wildfire, come here. Hey guys. Let's go. Come on.
Like, that's right.
Butter, must you put your head right through the fence when I'm videoing? There she goes.
I don't think they need to.
Yeah, they don't need carrots.
Cat. Nope.
God forbid we give them more sugar.
Cat, we don't need them to. You need to run. You don't need to run them.
Hold on, I want to show you something.
There they go. Are you just rebounding off that fence? Mm. There she goes.